Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Matkarit. For this video presentation, let us discuss geometric series. So without further ado, let's go to the topic. Okay, so what is geometric series? So a geometric series is the sum of the terms of a geometric sequence, where each term is obtained by multiplying the previous term by the same constant number called the common ratio. Okay, so let us proceed to the so let us solve this problem number 1. Find the sum of the first 7 terms of the sequence 2, 4, 8, and 16. So to solve this problem is we need the formula, which is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 times 1 minus the common ratio raised to the number of term over 1 minus r. Okay, so our first term, which is 2 in this problem, this is our first term, then multiplied it with 1 minus the common ratio. Okay, so our common ratio, that is r is equals to a sub 2 divided by a sub 1. So in this problem, our a sub 2 is 4. We have 4 divided it by the first term, which is 2. So therefore our common ratio is 2. Okay, so this is 2 raised to 7. 7 is our number of term. Okay, then divide it by 1 minus 2. Okay, so write again the 2, then 1, sorry, should be 1 minus, so let us multiply 2 by itself 7 times. So get your calculator. When you multiply that to 7 times, that is equals to 128. 128. Then 1 minus 2, that is negative 1. Okay, so let us continue here. So 2 times, so we can subtract now 128 to 1, that is negative 1 to 7, divide it by negative 1, then multiply 2 to negative 127, that is negative 254. Then divide it by negative 1. Okay, so negative 254 divided by negative 1, that is equals to positive. Positive na siya, 254. Okay. Did you get it, class? Okay. So next problem, compute the sum of the first 5 terms of the sequence 3, 16, 12, 24, and 48. Okay, so let us write first the formula, which is a sub n is equals to the a sub 1 multiply that by 1 minus r raised to number of terms over 1 minus r. Okay, so given also is the first term, which is 3, multiply that by 1 minus, so our common ratio again, that is is of 2 divided by the is of 1. So our is of 2, it is 6 divided it by 3. So therefore our common ratio is 2. Okay. So this is 2. Then our number of terms is 5 over 1 minus 2. Okay. So 3 times 1 minus, you have to multiply the 2 by itself 5 times. So when you multiply that 2 5 times, that is equals to 32. Then 1 minus 2, that is negative 1. Let us proceed here. Okay, so 1 minus 32, that is negative 31, divided by 1. So 3 times negative 31, that is negative 93, divided by negative 1. So our final answer is positive 93. Okay, so that is how to calculate the sum of the geometric sequence. So next, so find the sum of the 7 terms of the geometric series. So we have 2 plus 8 plus 32 plus that, meaning that is infinite. Okay, so the sum of 7 terms. Okay, use again the formula. Sub n equals to is of 1, multiply that by 1 minus the common ratio raised to the number of term over 1 minus the common ratio. So again, our first term rather in this problem is 2. Okay, so our first term. Sorry, pwede rin. Okay, so 1 minus. Now let us find again the common ratio. Okay, the common ratio again is of 2 over the is of 1. So our is of 2 is 8 divided by 2. So therefore our common ratio is 4. Okay, class. 4. So therefore this is 4 and our number of terms is 7. So this is 7 over 1 minus 4. Okay. So let us write again 2 times 1 minus. So when you multiply the 4 by itself 7 times, that is equals to 16,000. You make it your calculator class. 16,384. Then divide it. Let us subtract 1 minus 4, that is negative 3. Okay. Continue tayo dito sa space. So we have 2 times, so 1 minus 16,384, so this is negative 16,384. comma 383. Then divide it by negative 3. Okay. So when you multiply 2 times negative 16,383, that is a negative 32,766. Divided by negative 3. So the answer is positive 10,922. Okay, did you get class? So next, what about this problem? Find the sum of the geometric sequence below, that is 1 plus 4 plus 16 plus plus the last term. This is the last term, 1024. So as you notice, we do not have the number of terms. So to solve the sum is we need to calculate the number of terms. So to do that, we have to use the formula for the geometric sequence. So we have E sub n is equals to the E sub 1 multiplied that by the common ratio raised to number of term minus 1. So our E sub n, which is 1024, is of 1, which is 1, multiply that by the common ratio again. So our R is of 2 divided by is of 1. So in this problem, our is of 2 is 4 divided by 1. So therefore our common ratio is 4. So this is 4 raised to the number of term which is missing minus 1. Okay. So bring down this 1024. So this becomes 1 times 4, that is 4 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so you can get your calculator. So we can get again use the exponential concept. So since we know that the base here is talking about this one is 4, so we are expect that this is 4 and to the power of 5 equals to 4 n minus 1. So we know that when we multiply 4 by itself 5 times, that is equals to 1074. So in this equation, the base is equal. So notice we have equal base. So when the two bases are equal, we can cancel them and write the exponent. So therefore our n here, let's see, 5 is equals to n minus 1. Okay, so let us write it here. So 5, let us transpose this to the left. It becomes now positive 1. So therefore our n is 6. Okay, 6. And so we can now calculate the sum of this geometric sequence. So we have E sub n, E sub n is equals to first term multiply that by 1 minus r, or the common ratio, to the power of n. Divide 1 minus r. So our first term is 1. As you notice, this is our first term. Then 1 minus our common ratio, which is 4. Then our, what is this? Our n. Our n is 6. We have 6. 1 minus 4. Okay. So when you fill it as multiply, is 1 times 1. So 4 times 4, or 4 multiplied by itself 6 times, that is equivalent to 4,000. 4,096 divided by negative 3. Why negative 3? Will subtract 4 to 3, that is negative 3. So let us proceed it here. So, ito na lang tayo. So this is 1 times, so 1 minus 4,096, that is negative 4,095. This is 95. 95 na lang siya. Okay, magsulat ha. Wala. This is 5. Then okay, magsulat. So negative 3. Okay. So 1 times negative 4,095, that is still negative 4,000. Ayun, magsulat ha. Sige, wait lang kayo. 4,095. Hirap na pagsulat dito. Then divide it by negative 3. So the answer is positive 1,365. Okay. Sige, klaro na. Okay, educated class. So I hope na mayroon kayong natutunan sa video presentation natin about the geometric series. So until next video, thank you for watching.